Hello students, in this video we will look into some of the questions which were asked in CBSE exam. So let's begin with the first question. In this question, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is given. Oh, I'm sorry. Ratio is to 64. Okay, the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is given 25 upon 64, and we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of their corresponding side. So let's side of triangle 1 upon side of triangle 2 whole square. Okay, triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. So obviously if we take the under root, we can find the ratio of their corresponding side. So we just have to take the under root of this. So side of triangle 1 upon side of triangle 2 is equal to under root 25 upon 64, which is equal to 5 by 8. So we are done with the first question. Now let's look into the second question. And in this question, the area of the similar triangle is again given. Altitude of bigger triangle is given, and we have to find the altitude of smaller triangle. Okay, so again, ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of their corresponding altitudes. So altitude of triangle 1 divided by altitude of triangle 2 whole square. Okay, so again, to find this ratio, we just have to take the under root of 81 upon 49, which is equal to 9 by 7. So this is the final answer. Moving forward to the next question. Question 3. Again, the areas of two similar triangle is given. Median of the first triangle is given. Then we have to find the corresponding median of the other triangle. So it's again upon 64 is equal to, as we know, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding medians. So median of triangle 1 divided by median corresponding median. Okay, corresponding median of triangle 2 whole square. So again, to find this ratio, we just have to take the under root of this. So under root of 121 upon 64, it's equal to 11 by 8. Okay, and this was asked in CBSE 2019. So again, let's move to the next question, fourth question. So in this question, ABCD is a trapezium. So let's draw a trapezium ABCD. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, in which AB is parallel to DC. This is given. What else is given? AB is equal to twice of DC. And we have the diagonals of the trapezium, this and this, they intersect at O. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB. This is the triangle AOB. Triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Okay. So what is first? This is a trapezium in which this is parallel to this. DC is parallel to AB. So obviously angle A will be equal to angle C. Okay. First thing, angle B will be equal to angle D, this angle. Okay. So by AAA similarity, triangle DCO is similar to triangle, here D was equal to B. Okay, angle D was equal to B, so we will write B. Triangle B C was equal to A, so we have to write A. B A O. Okay, this writing sequence is very important. You cannot write in like in any haphazard sequence. The sequence has to be very correct. Okay, so these two triangles are similar, and if they are similar, then the ratio of their area, that is area of triangle DCO upon the area of triangle BAO will be equal to the ratio, the square of the square of their corresponding sides. So which side we will take? Obviously we will take yeah, this side only, because we have given a relation between these two sides only. AB is equal to twice DC, so we will be taking these two sides. So let's write it. So it will be CD upon AB whole square. Okay, so which, and AB is equal to, we know AB is equal to 2 times of DC, that is given. So we will write 2 times of DC whole square. So this length will get cancelled. So ratio will come to 1 by 1:4. So that's the final answer. Okay, but in the question we were asked for the ratio of AOB upon this, so we just have to reverse it. Final answer would be 4:1.